So welcome back. So what we will do today agenda is to download the Ubuntu. For that you need to type Ubuntu download desktop and hit enter. And the Google you have see multiple results, right? So go for the top one, whatever from the Ubuntu website, and click over here. After that you will redirect it to the Ubuntu website, and right now Ubuntu is having two in this particular date. Today is nothing but 5th of October 2019, and till now Ubuntu have launched this particular thing, which is nothing but Ubuntu 18 long-term support and Ubuntu 19. And you should definitely go with long-term support, as Ubuntu is also recommending, right? So just click on this download. You can see you will redirect to this page and it will automatically start. So here you can see my download has begun. It's around 2 GB of file. So let me wait for a moment, and after that I will look into that. So yes, the download has been completed and I just moved my file from my download section to here. You can see today's date as well. So what is the size of the file? Just right click over here, go to the properties, and it will show you it's 1.93 GB of the file, and today is the date. I just downloaded this file over here. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Okay, you just know how to download the file, right? So yep, let's meet on the next class and let's see and do the further things. Thank you.